So hello friends, today we are going to learn how to do SSH to remote machine. In order to do SSH to remote machine, we require two things. One is remote machine IP address and the other thing is the PuTTY, yeah, PuTTY application. So right now I have a host running on Windows 10. So now what going to do, I'm going to SSH it to Linux machine which is running on the other computer on the network. So in order to access that remote machine, I have to use SSH. So let me show you how to SSH to that machine. So click on PuTTY, and here as you can see, when you click on PuTTY, it's pop up with window, and in this window we able to see few options in order to access your remote machine. So if you see here, it is asking host name and IP address. And by the way, keep in your mind that SSH always run on port 22. Okay, this could be any exam questions, especially when you're planning to learn Ansible, because Ansible uses the port 22 for doing all tasks and actions. Okay, so let's come to the point. So let's access my remote machine. So in my case, I have a machine which is having IP address 192.168.0.23, which is Ubuntu machine running on the EXXI host on the other computer over the network. So now I'm going to connect using PuTTY. So first thing what I need to do is I need to enter the IP address, or if you have local DNS, then you can enter the host name of that machine, and then your computer can connect it. So let's first see this scenario, which I just have IP address in my hand. So this is my IP address, and once you enter the IP address, click on SSH. You don't need to click on SSH because by default PuTTY will start its protocol on SSH. Okay, so then click open, and once you click on open, you will see if your remote machine is online, then you can see that it will ask you how you want to log in as. Like either you want to log in as a user or you want to log in as a root administrator. Okay, so in my case I have both, so I'll go with the root because it's very easy. I don't want to keep using sudo all the times. Okay, and by the way, it's a local machine, so I know what I'm doing. So log in as root and enter the password. Once you enter the password, it will let you come in. That's all you need to do in order to access the remote machine using a PuTTY. Okay, so here I'm doing apt updates so that I could have the updated package manager repository. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Let me exit. If you see one more thing, like if you see last time somebody accessed my computer, this is very important thing. So last time somebody accessed my computer, at this time from this IP address. So I don't know who is that, and I can. So in order to find who is that, you can do one more thing in Linux. So do that ns lookup utility and IP address and say enter. So right now it doesn't show any host name. It's because this thing doesn't have any DNS. Okay, so if you have the local DNS, it will show you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much.